So if you're an organized person, I highly recommend that you order the Tulip mini baking cups on Amazon. I've got a link in my post, and this will just make it so much easier. I found myself on the day that I was making these cheesecake bites without any kind of muffin liner that would fit my pans. And speaking of, let's get to the pans. So I've got two different mini muffin tins. This one I use for, bite-sized tarts. I've got my mushroom tartlets that I use for this, but it's only about 1/2 inch deep. This one measures 2 inches across and 1 inch deep, and this is what I'm going to use for the mini cheesecake bites, okay? So I want to put liners in this because after it bakes, the cheesecake filling will likely stick to the inside and you'll have to cut it out with a knife, which is messy. And then also getting out the cheesecake crust, it can be crumbly. You don't want it to fall apart. So I highly, highly, highly recommend lining your muffin tin before you get started. And again, if you're smart and you plan ahead, you'll order it from Amazon or find it in a craft store. If you're not, if you're like me, you're making your own. So here's what we're gonna do. I've got parchment paper. You can use unbleached or bleached. This is just what I had on hand. And I'm cutting this into 3-inch by 3-inch squares. I already measured this piece, and there's 3 inches. And I'm just gonna make a quick snip and take it all the way down like that, okay? So you see, it's about a 3-inch square. So you're gonna need 24 of these because the muffin tin holds 24 cheesecakes. So we're going to start with the paper and just fold it in half and give it a solid crease. Use your nail if you need to. And then fold it again in half, like so, and crease it. And you can kind of see that you've got this crosshatch in the middle. So then I'm going to use my shot glass as a guide, right? And so we're going to put that little crosshatch there right in the center of the bottom of the glass. And I'm going to use the flat sides and just give it a nice clean edge. So again, just fold and crease. Again, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's fine, it's fine. Just a little crease like that, just folding it right over on itself and just pressing into the glass, okay? Okay, so you can kind of see how that might look like a paper liner for, your cupcakes or whatever have you. It's not perfect yet. So what I do is stick it back on like so, and I use another shot glass to stick it, to kind of press it into the glass. Give it a twist, and then use your hands to kind of mold it to the bottom, like that. And again, it's not perfect, but trust me, it will work. Here's my muffin tin liner, and you can see it just fits right in there. Now, obviously, it won't stay down until you fill it. So you're gonna put your graham cracker crumbs or whatever cookie you use and use your tamper to press it down. We're gonna par bake it, add your cheesecake filling, and these will come out so easily. You just lift them right out, and you can serve them in these paper cups too. In fact, I absolutely would not take them out. This is just an easy way to put them on your dessert platter, okay? So I hope that helps.